Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me eye makeup tutorial using the new ColourPop and SHAYLA Perception palette. This whole collaboration, you guys, if you didn't get your hands on it, I do apologize for it. I'm apologizing for SHAYLA, okay? You need to get your hands on this when she puts this back up in stock. It will be back in stock, I believe, sometime soon, like in the next couple of weeks. So definitely go check out ColourPop's website, because if you don't want to get everything, you need to get your hands on the eyeshadow palette. The colors in here are amazing, you guys. And I'm just super excited that I got my hands on the whole collection. But you guys will see all of that in the rest of the video. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. I am rolling out some makeup tutorials for you guys as you guys requested. So really excited about that. Also, I am doing a spring giveaway currently right now on my channel. So if you haven't entered that giveaway, then click that video down below after you watch this video, of course. I'll try to put the cards up here so you'll know to click on that. But yeah, it is open to the end of this month in May, so you guys have ample amount of time to answer all of the giveaway questions that are listed in the description bar of that video. So go ahead and enter that when you get a chance. But nevertheless, if you want to see how I got this really pretty green smoky eye look with a glowy face, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with I already did my eyebrows and eyeshadow primer and foundation and everything. So this is what the box looks like. I got the box for the SHAYLA collab with ColourPop, and it came with this cute little card that says, "Go shawty, it's your birthday." It's your birthday, but it's supposed to say like it's your birthday. But that was a really cute touch that they put in there. I'm excited to show you guys what look I'm gonna come up with. I don't know what I'm gonna come up with, but looking at all these colors, let's do a gold. I think I'm gonna do a gold green look, but we'll see. So I'm gonna pick up my favorite MAC brush, 224 MAC brush, and I'm gonna go in, let's see if this thing breaks back. I'm gonna go in with Culture. I'm gonna go in with that first. I prime my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It is the darkest shade. I'll link the color down below, but if you are a darker skin tone, that one is perfect for you. So far, the colors are really pigmented, and this particular Culture color is blending very, very well as my transition shade. On top of that, I'm gonna go in with Thick. Now this color is really bright. I don't think I've ever used a bright orange like this, but ooh, that's really pretty. I think I'm gonna switch my brush. I'm gonna switch my brush to my MAC 217 brush. But I'm just going on top of that Culture color. I hope I'm not blinding you guys. On top of that Culture color, I'm going in with Thick right on top of it in the crease. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with IE, this green color. I've done like colors with like pinks and purples. I love a good gold look, but let's try to play in this. Let's swatch it first. I wanna swatch it first. Super pretty. Or Sassy is looking really nice too. Ooh, Sassy is like this iridescent type of color or shade, I should say. So I'm gonna go in first in the corners with this Stallion. Stallion has some blue reflex in it, but she said it goes on black, so let's just try it. And I'm just gonna use that same MAC 217 brush. It's like shaped like this, if you guys can see that. And I'm gonna place that shade on the outer V first, and then blend it up to the crease to give almost like a smoky look. And blend it outward. So now in the inner section of the lid, we're gonna go in with that IE green color. And I'm gonna use the flat brush first, and then I'm gonna try to use it with my finger. Oh, let's use my finger. Let me use my finger first. I'm going to place that there. Wow, this is a pretty color. Shayla, this is so pretty. And that's not even with any Fix Plus or any type of setting spray. Girl. So now I'm gonna go in with this brush because I wanna see how it applies with a brush, a flat brush. And I'm actually gonna wet my brush using some Fix Plus because I want this to be more intensified. This is beautiful, you guys. Like, I cannot wait for you guys to get yours in the mail if you haven't already and get your hands on it. Oh my goodness, this green, this is probably my favorite one, and I didn't even use them all yet. And I'm just gonna drag it onto the stallion so it won't look like separated and just all look blended. So that's all I'm doing here. You guys, this, ooh, that's mainly what I'm gonna do to the eye. So now I'm gonna put my lashes on. I can't even get the words out. Now I'm going to coat my lashes, one coat of some Tarte mascara, just to put some Falsies on to bring this look all together. All right, so the Falsies that I'm going to be pairing with this look are some Falsies that I used before. These are the Fox lashes, B Fox. These are in the shade, in the style Aria, and you guys see me wear these before. This is what their packaging looked like. I will link their Instagram handle down below. So I'm just gonna put these on. And I'll be right back. Woo. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Unbother and put that in my inner tear duct. All right, so now I'm gonna proceed to put my blush on, and then we're gonna talk about the lips. All right, so now that I'm back with my eyelashes, the inner tear duct, the blush, everything is going well. All of this looks amazing. I'm now gonna go ahead and highlight. I did get both of the highlighters, like I mentioned. I did get the whole set. This one is in Pose, which is more of a rose gold bronzy highlighter, and then Boomin' in a more yellow gold. So I'm gonna do both on, for the sake of the video purposes, so you can see it on my skin tone. I'm gonna do both of them. So starting with Boomin', I'm gonna put that here. Which is more of a yellow gold. Very pretty. Very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that, but super pretty. And then I'm gonna go on this side with Pose. Pose for the camera now. Flick, flick. And just put that there. Ooh. This is rose gold, like really, really nice. All right, on to the lippies. You guys know I love lippies here on my channel. And this is my first time trying these ColourPop lipsticks. So I'm excited to see which one we're gonna be wearing today. The packaging is so cute, so cute. Very sturdy too. This is Quickie, which is a nude, more of a nude shade. You guys can see that. This one is Come On Sis. Come on, sis. Chill. Ooh. They're super creamy off the bat, just swatching them. And the last one is, ooh, you guys know how Shayla is always talking about her ooh when she's on Instagram. That's more of a corally orangey shade. So with this look, I'm going to keep it pretty neutral on the lips and go with Quickie. And then here is the lip gloss. The packaging on these lip products are so cute. So this lip gloss is like a gold, it has like gold reflex in it, some pink reflex, but pretty simple. That's all the lips. So I'm gonna go in with Quickie. I went in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil because that is what I have on hand. This is in the color dark brown. I don't have my liner on me. So now on to Quickie. Is this the right one? Yeah. Oh, it looks more corally on my actual lips than it did on my hand. I'm gonna use the gloss to top it all off, and that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.